Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are on one of my favorite creeks. It might look familiar to you, but today I am with Carlos, and hopefully we get on some fish today. And yeah, let's try to make it a banger. Starting off with the spinner bait. Water's a little stained since the last time I was here. There's one. Oh,
Oh man.
shoot. Yeah, it's a little one. I'll let Carlos go ahead of me. Well, surprisingly, they're not up shallow. I've tried to hit all the shallow areas where I've seen them before, but I'm going off of history. So, but we still got a long way to go. Just a little mid-morning update, and we'll try to get on them. Stick around.
Got one.
Got one. Little one.
Yeah.
But she counts. Oh, what is that? You saw that, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you're fine. Oh, that is a good one.
Yeah.
That is a good one. On a crawl. That one right there. It's all jacked up right now. What a beautiful fish. It's been tough. We went up and down this lake like twice already. Or creek, whatever you want to call it. Pretty fish. I'll let her go now. Oh. Oh, what a bummer. Golly. All day I can't figure it out. Past few months. It's been rough. I'm trying to stick it out. Like really. I don't even know if one fish or two fish is worth the video anymore. But, you know, I love doing it. I ain't gonna stop. Until next time. Love you guys.